In a significant ruling today, the Delhi High Court denied bail to student activist Umar Khalid Sharjeel Imam and 7 others in the 2020 Delhi riots conspiracy case. Charged under the stringent Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, that is UAPA, the accused have been in custody for over 4 years, raising critical questions about justice, dissent, and the use of anti-terror laws in India. Let's unpack this case and its implications. The 2020 Delhi riots, which left 53 people dead and over 700 injured, erupted amid protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA) and National Register of Citizens, that is NRC. The Delhi police allege that Umar Khalid Sharjeel Imam and others were the masterminds behind a premeditated conspiracy to incite violence. The prosecution points to WhatsApp groups, speeches, and alleged meetings as evidence of plot to destabilize India, timed with the US President Donald Trump's visit in February 2020. Umar Khalid, a former JNU student, and Sharjeel Imam, a scholar activist, have been in jail since September 2020 and August 2020 respectively. Their bail pleas, pending since 2022, argued prolonged incarceration and lack of concrete evidence. Khalid's counsel emphasized that merely being part of WhatsApp groups isn't a crime and no physical evidence links him to violence. Imam's teams argued that he was completely disconnected from co-accused and that his speeches never incited unrest. Yet, the court upheld the prosecution's claim of a prima facie case under UAPA, a law notorious for its stringent bail provisions. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, representing the Delhi police before the Delhi High Court, argued that the accused were part of a clinical and pathological conspiracy to defame India globally. He claimed their actions aimed to divide the nation on religious lines, citing inflammatory speeches and WhatsApp coordination. Critics argue the prolonged detention without trial, charges are yet to be framed, highlights the misuse of UAPA to silence dissent. The law's section 43D subsection 5 makes bail nearly impossible, requiring the court to believe the accused is not guilty based on preliminary evidence. While co-accused like Devangana Kalita, Natasha Narwal and Asif Iqbal Tanha were granted bail in 2021, Khalid, Imam and others remain in limbo, fueling concerns about selective prosecution and the shifting of activism. The case raises broader questions. Is UAPA being weaponized to criminalize protest? Why are trials delayed for years while the accused languish in jail? With over 750 FIRs filed and nearly 2,000 arrests linked to the riots, the focus on student activists has drawn scrutiny. Supporters argue that dissent is being equated with terrorism, while the prosecution insists that the accused orchestrated violence that shook the capital.